Understanding, be hard to ignore. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the meaning and use of the phrase, be hard to ignore. This expression is widely used in English, and understanding it can help you better grasp the nuances of the language. So, let's get started and explore how this phrase can add depth to your conversations and writings. The phrase, be hard to ignore, combines three key elements. Be is a verb that indicates a state of existence or condition. Hard, in this context, means difficult, challenging, or requiring effort. Ignore means to deliberately avoid noticing or acknowledging something. Put together, when something is hard to ignore, it means that it is very noticeable or significant in such a way that it demands attention or acknowledgement, even if someone might prefer to overlook it. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in different contexts. In social situations, her bright pink hair is hard to ignore in a crowd. Here, it means the hair color is so unusual or striking that it catches people's attention. In professional settings, the company's rapid growth is hard to ignore. This implies that the company's success is so significant that it must be acknowledged by competitors, investors, or the industry. In personal feelings, his kindness towards everyone is hard to ignore. This suggests that the person's behavior is so remarkable that it becomes a defining trait others notice. Understanding and using the phrase, be hard to ignore, can help you express nuances in conversations. It allows you to convey that something or someone stands out in a way that cannot easily be overlooked. Enhance your descriptive writing. It is a powerful way to emphasize the significance or impact of a subject in your stories, essays, or reports. I hope this video has made the phrase, be hard to ignore, clearer and shown you how it can be effectively used in your English communication. Whether you're speaking or writing, remembering phrases like this can enrich your language skills and help you express yourself more vividly. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.